What's up guys? In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can remove the daily screen time limit on Roblox. To do this, you need to go ahead and log into your Roblox account or Roblox app on your smartphone. For my case, I'm on my phone, so this is my homepage right here. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on More at the bottom. And from there, scroll down and find Settings. Under Settings, look for Privacy and Content Restriction. And right under it, you should see Screen Time. So if I tap on this, you can see my account currently has a daily screen time limit set. Now, removing this limit is quite actually simple. Just tap on the arrow here, then tap on the time setting, and choose the option you'd like. But since we want to remove the limit completely, go ahead and select no limit, then save your changes. And that's it. That's how you can remove the daily screen time limit on your Roblox app. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!